Hello and welcome to Mangley Town Catalogue collection. Today we have for you a little Heljan flyer, not so much catalogue. It's undated as well, but I believe it to be somewhere in the early 2000s, but wanted to include it because it's got a couple of cool items in. And it is in English, HO and OO versions, but I just think that container terminal is really cool. And even some accessories of Heljan containers, and then obviously turntable, and then some O-gauge locos. I hope that little quickie has been of interest for you. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the channel again soon. Bye.